Welcome to this tutorial on how to close your Robinhood account. To begin, you'll need to log into your Robinhood app or website using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. Look for the section labeled Account or Settings, which is usually found in the upper right corner of the screen. In the account settings, find the option for Account Information. There, you should see a link or button that says Close Account. Click on it to start the process. Robinhood will likely prompt you to confirm your decision to close the account. Make sure to read the information provided, as it may contain important details about the closing process. If you are sure you want to proceed, follow the on-screen instructions to confirm. Before finalizing the closure, it is essential to make sure that you have withdrawn any remaining funds from your account. If you have any investments, consider selling them and transferring the cash to your bank account. Once your account is closed, the funds will no longer be accessible, so taking care of this step is crucial. After you have confirmed the closure, you may receive a confirmation email from Robinhood. This email will provide details about your account closure and any additional steps you may need to take. Remember that closing your Robinhood account is a permanent action, and you will not be able to reopen the same account once it is closed. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has helped you understand how to close your Robinhood account.